We'll guide you through how to add animated text in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for animated text tutorials in Blender because motion text is widely used in videos, social media content, and presentations. Beginners want simple ways to create eye-catching visuals, while designers look to improve their skills. It also helps content creators add professional-looking intros, titles, and visual storytelling elements without expensive software. Open Blender on your computer and start a new project to prepare your workspace. Delete the default cube by selecting it and pressing the delete key so you have an empty scene. Press Shift+A to open the Add menu. Then choose Text to insert a text object into the scene. Select the text object and press Tab to enter edit mode. Delete the default text and type your desired word or sentence. Press Tab again to return to object mode. Go to the Object Data Properties panel and adjust the font, size, and alignment to match your design. In the Geometry section, increase Extrude to give the text thickness and add Bevel to smooth the edges for a cleaner appearance. Move the text into position using the Move tool or press G to grab and place it where you want. Switch to the Animation workspace at the top of the interface to begin animating. Go to Frame 1 on the timeline. Then with the text selected, press I and choose Location to insert a keyframe. Move to a later frame such as frame 60. Reposition the text by sliding it across the screen and press I again to add another location keyframe. Play the animation using the spacebar to preview the movement. To animate rotation, go back to frame 1, press I, and choose Rotation. Move to another frame, rotate the text using R, and insert another rotation keyframe. Add scaling animation by pressing I and selecting Scale at different frames. Open the graph editor to adjust the speed and smoothness of the animation curves. Add a material in the Material Properties tab and change its color. Insert a light using Shift+A and choose Light. Then set up a camera and position it to frame your text. Press 0 on the numpad to view through the camera. Adjust Output Properties. Choose MP4 format. Press Ctrl F12 and save the rendered animation.